If you're looking to add elegance, functionality, and value to your home in Meridian, Idaho, one upgrade worth considering is the addition of Bow Windows. These curved, panoramic-style windows not only enhance the beauty of your home but also offer a host of practical benefits. Whether you're remodeling an older home or customizing a new build, Bow Windows can dramatically transform your living space. Let's explore the top advantages of installing Bow Windows in Meridian homes and why this feature has become a favorite among local homeowners. Expanded natural light. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of Bow Windows is the abundance of natural light they bring into your home. Unlike flat windows, Bow Windows curve outward and typically consist of 4 or more connected window panels, capturing light from multiple angles. In a city like Meridian, where sunny days are common, Bow Windows allow you to brighten your living space naturally, reduce reliance on artificial lighting, and create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. More sunlight can also have mood-boosting benefits and help lower electricity bills over time. Enhanced curb appeal. Bow Windows create a stunning architectural feature that instantly enhances the exterior appearance of your home. The outward curve adds depth and dimension, breaking up flat walls and giving your home a more customized and upscale look. This kind of visual impact boosts your home's curb appeal, makes your property stand out in the neighborhood, and can increase resale value by attracting future buyers. For Meridian homeowners looking to make a long-term investment in their home's appearance, Bow Windows are a beautiful and practical choice. Panoramic view. With its wide, curved design, a bow window offers uninterrupted, panoramic views of the outdoors. Whether your home overlooks the foothills, a manicured garden, or a quiet street, Bow Windows give you the opportunity to enjoy those views from the comfort of your home. Perfect for living rooms, breakfast nook, home offices, master bedroom. This feature is especially appreciated in scenic areas around Meridian, where the surrounding landscape deserves to be showcased. Added interior space. Bow windows gently extend out from the home, creating a small ledge or alcove inside. This added space can be used in many creative ways, such as a cozy window seat or reading nook, a plant shelf that takes advantage of natural light, additional room to decorate for holidays or seasons. This subtle expansion enhances your room's usability without requiring major renovations. Increased ventilation options. Bow windows can be designed with operable panels, such as casement or double-hung windows, to improve airflow throughout your home. By allowing fresh air to circulate, you can enjoy a healthier indoor environment, especially important in Meridian's seasonal climate. This can help improve air quality, regulate indoor temperature naturally, reduce the strain on your HVAC system. In the spring and fall, opening your bow windows can offer the perfect balance of comfort and energy efficiency. Versatility in style and function. Bow windows are not one size fits all. They come in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes that can be customized to match the design of your Meridian home. Whether you prefer modern, traditional, or craftsman aesthetics, there's a bow window configuration to suit your vision. You can also choose from various glass types, frame colors, grid patterns, and trim options to make your windows truly unique. Final thoughts. Elevate your Meridian home with bow windows. Installing bow windows is more than just a design choice. It's an investment in comfort, functionality, and lasting value. From improved lighting and scenic views to better airflow and curb appeal, bow windows bring numerous benefits that Meridian homeowners can enjoy for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your space, consult with a trusted local window specialist to explore your options and discover how bow windows can transform your home, inside and out.